Okay, this is the Solving Inequalities homework number 1. And I'm going to go right to the first problem, and our directions say to solve and graph each of the problems. So just like when we solved equations, I'm going to draw a line down right from the inequality sign, because then I can see the two sides of the inequality. So I'm trying to get the letter by itself, but there's a 7 over here. So to get rid of the 7, I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. 7 minus 7 is 0, and I'm left with z. I bring the inequality sign down, and 12 minus 7 is 5. Then we need to graph this. So on my graph, I'm going to put 5 in the middle. I need 2 numbers above 5 and 2 numbers below. So 6, 7, and then back this way, 4 and 3. All right, I know that my circle is going to go above my answer. And then I have to decide, is it an open circle or closed? Now, since my inequality sign is just less than, I'm going to leave it open. But I'm going to do 2 tests. I'm going to put a number that's smaller in, 4 less than 5. And then I'm going to put a bigger number in, 6 less than 5. So which one of those is true? Is 4 less than 5 or 6 less than 5? Well, I know 4 is less than 5. So that means that my answers are going to fall here. 4 is less than 5, 3 is less than 5, 2 is less than 5. So my line will go that way. All right, then let's go to the third one over. Same thing again, put my line down. Right now I have 4 times r is less than or equal to 8. I want to get the r by itself, but right now it's being multiplied by a 4. So the opposite is to divide by 4, and whatever I do on one side, I do it to the other. My 4 is reduced to 1r. I bring down my sign, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So now I make my number line. I'm going to put 2 in the middle, 3, 4, and 1 and 0. My circle is going to go at 2. Now I decide, is it going to be an open or closed circle? Because it's less than or equal to, I'm going to fill that in because that means it includes 2 as part of the answer. Then I'm going to do some tests. 1 is less than or equal to 2. And then I'm going to put 3 is less than or equal to 2. And this is the only one that's true. 1 is less than or equal to 2. So my answers will go this way. All right, let's do one more. Let's go down to this one. T divided by 4 is greater than or equal to 12. Well, I want t by itself, so I have to do the opposite of divide by 4, which is to multiply both sides by 4. 4 will reduce, and then I'm left with t on this side. I bring my sign down. 12 times 4 is 48. All right, now I need my graph. 48 is in the middle, 49, 50, 47, 46. My circle's at 48. Then I ask, is it going to be an open or closed circle? Well, the inequality sign has that equal to, so that means it's included. So I have to color that circle in. 48 is part of the answer. Then I'm going to try some different values for t. So I'm going to put in one smaller, 47 is greater than or equal to 48, and one larger, 49 is greater than or equal to 48. So that one doesn't make sense because 47 isn't bigger, but 49 is. So that tells me my arrow will point towards these values. All right, hopefully that will help you do the rest.